Welcome to Research Rocks. Today we are purchasing TCL 65 QLED780L 4K QLED TV 2026. This television price is a 5,999 Danish krona. So we already decided previously we are big fan of Sony Bravio, but this television compared to Sony one, that would be is a really improve quality and some features, and especially this one is not mini LED, this is the QLED. This features all television introducing in 2026. For this price, this features we are receiving very affordable prices, so we are purchasing this TV. Including the TV, we are receive JBL soundbar as well. LK providing the soundbar absolutely free for us. So you should watch entire video how we can reach this TV after purchasing to home and then unboxing and then all the setup. Globally top number one. This TV price is a 10 lakh Indian currency. Original price is a 1 lakh. So you can collect the bill, come to the here service and room. हमारी टीवी आएगी in this door. After collecting the TV from the counter, I am very much confident because of I have Tesla Model 3 and I hope this TV can fix in my car. But I am really surprised. I try all those things like a middle of the seat and then back side of the trunk in my Tesla car. But unfortunately, I am not able to fix the TV in my Tesla car. So that condition, my wife can book Uber taxi and we are spending there around 20 minutes. Afterwards the taxi is a reach. Pay in taxi charges is 178 DKK. After reaching the taxi driver and I fix the TV in backside the taxi. First I little surprised the TV can fix or not, but successfully we can fix the TV in the taxi and we start the journey to the home. So I follow the taxi. So finally we reach the home, open the taxi back panel and remove the TV from the taxi. I carry the TV to home and my little son is very happy.
New गाड़ी लाई हाँ TV
ऊपर निकलेगा वो डायरेक्ट ठीक है Welcome to Research Rocks. We purchased TCL TV as you already see in the video. The TV size is a 65 premium QLED TV. I am purchasing this one. This electronic store as you've seen in the screen, and the electronic store name is LK Kent. Sorry for pronunciation. This is the premium one and 2026 model. The TV price is a 6,000 Danish krona, including they are providing this JBL soundbar absolutely free for this TV. Now we will do unboxing and set up entire TV. Let's do. खींच खींच ऊपर ऊपर खींच तो आराम से खींच इधर पीछे इसको पकड़ के रख साइड दिस इज द स्टैंड रख मेरे तरफ एक सेकंड अच्छा उसको उसमें रख देंगे अपन बाद में ठीक टीवी इज ओपन टन टन You can fix this stand as well like this. Let's see. ये निकालने नहीं है. उठा. वो कुछ है क्या? अब इसको थोड़ा सुला देते हैं. The TV is huge as I am expecting. 65 inches is a bigger TV, and inside the TV box we receive the stand as well, so we can fix those stand in bottom of the TV. So I just simply change the TV position front to down, and then using screwdriver I fix this stand, and afterwards we can stand this TV proper location. Inside the box we receive here different types of accessories. Two important accessories we are receiving. One is a power cable and magic booklet, and second thing we receive the two batteries as well. First time I seen some brand are providing the battery as well, especially on remote control. So I just simply open this battery and put it on remote. The TV.
ऐसे लेके भागना था सुन.
ओके भैया वेट नहीं वैसे ही रहने थे
As we follow the traditional in Indian culture, we make the puja in swastik. Internet is connected, checking for update, basic device information.
टीवी के महाराज लॉन्ग लाइफ सर्विस दो अच्छे से चलो वीर को टाइम पे देखने के लिए प्रेरणा दो वीर रोएगा नहीं ऐसा प्रॉमिस किया टीवी
ये तो है
महाराज
रिमोट.
थैंक यू टीवी महाराज
क्या
वेलकम
करूं?
टू आवर फैमिली
फोन दबा प्रेस एंड होल्ड ऑन
वेलकम टू आवर फैमिली
And
TCL
okay.
वेलकम TCL कीप एंटरटेनिंग अस
Setup is completed almost. So final outcome of the TV. Now we can see here the clarity of TV. Get start. So this is the simple video of unboxing and installation of TCL TV. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.